Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Learnwolds is a platform that allows users to create and sell online courses. To make money on Learnwolds, consider the following steps. Number 1. Identify your niche or expertise. Determine the subject or area where you have expertise or passion. This could be anything from yoga instruction to digital marketing or language learning. Choose a niche where there's demand or where you can offer valuable knowledge or skills. Number 2. Create compelling course content. Develop high-quality and engaging course content tailored to your audience's needs. Utilize Learnwolds tools to design multimedia-rich course materials such as videos, quizzes, downloadable resources, and interactive content. Ensure that your content is structured effectively and provides value to your learners. Number 3. Set up your course on Learnwolds. Use the platform's features to build your course landing page. Customize your website and create an appealing storefront. Craft persuasive sales pages that effectively communicate the value of your course. Implement pricing strategies or bundle offers to entice potential buyers. Number 4. Market your courses effectively. Utilize various marketing strategies to drive traffic and sales. Leverage content marketing, email campaigns, social media advertising, webinars, or SEO to reach your target audience. Highlight the benefits of your course and address the pain points of your audience. Number 5. Engage with your learners and provide ongoing value. Foster a community within your courses. Offer excellent customer support. And gather feedback to improve your offerings continually. Provide additional resources, updates, or bonuses to keep your learners engaged and satisfied. Success on Learnwolds as a course creator involves creating valuable content, effective marketing strategies, and ongoing engagement with your audience. Continuously refining your courses based on feedback and delivering a positive learning experience can help generate revenue and build your reputation on the platform.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.